Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change status bar in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to display and brightness, and here select status bar and just select notification method. Here notification method is set to icons. That means only icon will be showing for the notifications. See in the notification Google Play is received notifications, so Google Play symbol is showing, that is icon is showing. Okay, second option is numbers. Instead of icon, now numbers is showing. Okay, if you would like to show nothing for notification, just select third one and nothing will be showing. Okay, then next one is show real-time network speed. Just to turn on it, and so that network speed will be showing in the status bar. Okay, see here. Okay, now it is turned off, now it is turned on. Okay, also you can show battery percentage in status bar. Just if you turn on battery percentage button here, battery percentage will be showing near the battery icon. If you turn it off, then no battery percentage will be showing, only battery icon will be showing in the status bar. So in this way you can easily change the status bar or customize status bar on your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.